soldiers comes. Drums speak. The drums speak. For ages and ages we have existed. Through trillions of years of resistance, persistence. Black chromosome moves across concrete walkways, talkways and byways, and been picked up some badass ways. Cats are talking their own death. Cats are writing their own eulogy. Cats are writing their own death story. Corny and boring and running out of time. The same story around and around and around and around and around. And it's left on your damn epitaph. For another 2,160 years, your children will cry tears. You did not take the time you have to grab the path or learn the math. See, hip-hop is an endangered species. Hip-hop is an endangered species, and I'm on the island of Mattawan. Hip-hop is an endangered species, and I'm on the island of Vega, waiting for the Jedis to get their mind right. Fuck the empire, I strike back. Here's actual facts. Whole generations born on crack. Relax, relax, relax. Chemical, biological warfare. Music running through the air. Children are born scared. And niggas are still running around scared. Unaware of the enemy that strikes at the dawn. Unaware of the enemy that strikes at dawn. Noontime, your mind is caught the last line. Look like we're back in the 80s, maybe the 30s. Your ass is standing in line, standing in line, standing in line. Standing in line for your own life, standing in line for your necessities, and you claim that you are free. 14th Amendment, nigga. Prison yards, prison scars. When you are locked up, you are now a slave. Please, now ask this question. Did I come all the way from down south? Did I travel on trains, buses, cars, scars, clean houses, play, gaming, colleges, teachers, mentors, blocks, corners that I come all this damn way just to die? Sad case of affairs, sad case of affairs. You niggas better wake up and get prepared. You niggas better wake up and get prepared. Sleep no more, sleep no more. We're seeing the torchlight of a beautiful woman who's been turned to a whore. A beautiful woman who's been turned into a whore. Wake up, niggas, and sleep no more. Wake up, niggas, and sleep no more. The hour of the gods have come. It said, boom! There was a drum. There was a drum. Now listen real close. I want y'all to listen real close. You hear this? You know why it's so deep? This sound has become extinct. You hear this, little man? You know why it's so deep? Because this sound has become extinct. How long has it been since your eardrums has heard real sound? When's the last time your teeth, your tongue has tasted real flavor? When's the last time your wife, your girlfriend, your husband gave you a real smile, a true smile and a true hug? You're living in an artificial grafted world, boys and girls. When's the last time you heard a real instrument? Interesting and playing. Even more interesting, to play drums in America is still outlawed. To play drums in the open without permission is still outlawed. There's a trillion things to be outlawed, but playing drums in the open is still outlawed. Peace.
Right off the Barnary sub-stop, Philadelphia, PA. Shot so loud you would think it was a club spot. African Americans, although we all over the web, we the hood librarians. We ship to prisons too. We reach out and deliver to those that's bitten too. But it's more than a bookstore. You want it, we got it. Mixtapes, DVDs, and culture products. Black and Nobel got our hands in a lot of projects. We welcome all to come build. The energy is positive. Every member of the team is awake and conscious. Come through and experience this place fucking Nobel.